Have you ever wondered why your credit score is what it is? Or perhaps you've heard someone say, my credit score is lower than my neighbor's, but we have almost the same credit history. If so, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the mysterious world of credit scoring, specifically how TransUnion calculates your score. Credit scores are like a financial report card, summarizing your creditworthiness. They play a crucial role in various aspects of your life, from getting a loan to renting an apartment. But how exactly does TransUnion, one of the major credit bureaus, determine your score? The 5 factors. TransUnion uses a proprietary algorithm that considers 5 key factors. Payment history. This is the most significant factor. Are you paying your bills on time? Late payments can significantly lower your score. Amount owed. How much debt do you have compared to your credit limit? A high debt-to-credit ratio can negatively impact your score. Length of credit history. How long have you been managing credit? A longer history generally indicates more responsible credit management. Credit mix. Do you have a variety of credit accounts, e.g., credit cards, loans? A mix of credit types can be beneficial. New credit. Frequent applications for new credit can be seen as a risk. Payment history in depth. Let's delve deeper into payment history. Even a single late payment can have a substantial impact. However, the severity of the impact depends on the type of payment and the length of the delinquency. For instance, a late payment on a mortgage is generally more serious than a late payment on a utility bill. Debt-to-credit ratio. Your debt-to-credit ratio is calculated by dividing your total debt by your total credit limit. For example, if you have a total credit limit of $10,000 and a total debt of $5,000, your debt-to-credit ratio is 50%. A lower debt-to-credit ratio is generally preferred. Length of credit history. The longer you've been managing credit, the more confidence lenders have in your ability to repay debt. This is why it's important to establish credit early on. Credit mix. A diverse credit mix demonstrates responsible credit management. Having a mix of credit accounts, such as credit cards, loans, and mortgages, can positively impact your score. New credit. While opening new credit accounts can be necessary, frequent applications can be seen as a risk. This is because it may indicate financial instability or a need for more credit than can be responsibly managed. The scoring algorithm. TransUnion's scoring algorithm is a complex mathematical formula that weighs these 5 factors based on their relative importance. The exact weights are proprietary information, but we know that payment history is the most significant factor. Dispute resolution. If you believe there is an error on your credit report, you can dispute it with TransUnion. It's important to act promptly, as disputes can take time to resolve. Improving your credit score. There are several steps you can take to improve your credit score. Pay bills on time. This is the most crucial step. Keep your debt-to-credit ratio low. Avoid maxing out your credit cards. Limit new credit applications. Only apply for new credit when necessary. Monitor your credit report regularly. Check for errors and disputes. Consider a credit repair service. If you have significant credit issues, a credit repair service may be able to help. Understanding how TransUnion calculates your credit score can empower you to make informed financial decisions. By understanding the factors that influence your score, you can take steps to improve it over time. Remember, your credit score is a snapshot of your financial health. By paying attention to your credit habits and monitoring your report regularly, you can build a strong credit foundation. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about credit scores, leave a comment below. Until next time, happy crediting.